In a kingdom of darkness, a lone dove soared. Its wings, a beacon of hope, pierced the veil of despair that covered the land. One day, the dove arrived at the edge of a dense forest, where the trees shuddered with the weight of sorrow. The dove alighted on a branch and looked deep into the forest's heart. A voice echoed, "Why have you come, little dove? You are a bird of peace, yet here you are in a land of conflict." The dove replied, "I have come to bring a message. A message of peace, of unity, and of love." The forest stirred, and a creature emerged. It was a wolf, scarred and fierce, embodying the very darkness the dove sought to dispel. "Peace," the wolf sneered. "There is no peace here. We are locked in an eternal struggle, and your wings will not change that." The dove looked at the wolf, and its eyes reflected compassion. Change does not come from fighting, but from understanding. Look within, and you shall find the peace you seek. The wolf hesitated, then nodded. Intrigued, it approached the dove, and the two stood before the forest, the dove offering its message of hope. The wolf closed its eyes, and in that moment, it saw a vision. A vision of a world where it no longer had to fight, where it could live in harmony with all creatures. When the wolf opened its eyes, it looked at the dove with newfound understanding. The dove spread its wings wide, and the wolf stepped forward, embracing the dove in its arms. From that day forth, the wolf changed. It no longer sought to prey upon the weak, but protected them instead. The forest began to bloom, and peace returned to the kingdom. The dove continued to soar, its wings a symbol of hope and change. And though the darkness still lingered, it was no longer a force that could silence the songs of peace and unity. The dove's message was clear: change comes from understanding, not from conflict. It is in our hearts that we find the power to change the world.